You sugar daddies and sugar mummies.
and the sugar daddies were smiling. Huh? You can see that. Isn't that Shasta?
Vamonko. When you see sugar daddies at the Monk Square there, tell them to go out of that place.
Huh?
One Zambia, one nation. I have issued instructions to the Minister of Technology to put CCTV camera there. So we can see who is disturbing our students.
The beauty about this video, the people that were being addressed were there. They were there and they were smiling, laughing together with Bamonko. Okay, on a serious note, ladies and gentlemen, we should be serious as a country. Yeah, we should be serious as a country. We should be serious. Even just we, the media people, must be serious with what we cover, I think. I'm very sure there are other sensible things that the president covered. But typical of us Zambians, we don't find the pleasure in things that contribute to our growth as a country. We just want those things that we can laugh about, joke about, and insult each other about. The whole Indaba that was there, the only thing that we could pick is that the president was going to put CCTV cameras in order to to expose my sugar daddy and my sugar mommy. Honestly, Nishunkana president, okay, you can't even joke. You just can't joke with the people. Whatever you joke about would be taken seriously. Me, I've never seen him. But I think just from what we decided to cover and what we decided to spend our time on as a country shows the kind of people that we are. That's why in this country you talk about sensible things, they will never trend. You will have more shares, more comments, more views, more interactions, more impressions. We are not a serious country like that. Vanzeru, we never want time on it. Different sugar daddy, sugar mommy. Let's get serious now. We can't, as a country, just wake up and start debating Kanyama sugar daddy, sugar mommy. No, let's be serious. Even just from the expression of the big man, you can tell what he was just joking, he was just kidding. The president can't have a light moment, sure. He can't have a light moment. Yeah, I'm wanting Muzambo Tikamba, Chaborongo Tikamba. And it is the old men that are worried about the CCTV cameras, hiding in the name of, hey, no, how will the CCTV cameras reduce the cost of living? How are they going to reduce the cost of living? It is not the cost of living and the minimum that you are worried about. You are worried that you'll be exposed. In fact, install them on a serious note now. Install them. There's a lot of criminality that happens in these schools. Aside sugar daddies and sugar mummies, in fact, I'm sugar mummies, sugar mummies, which sugar mummy has got the courage to go in school and pick up a nut? That's have those CCTV cameras to capture thieves. It's important that we have those CCTV cameras for the safety of the students. That's a point. That's a very valid point that I've raised. Yeah. Forget about the sugar mommy, sugar daddy issues. For the purposes of security in schools, let's have the CCTV cameras. Masukwa na sugar daddies na sugar mommies and na school, they just send the transport money. Waenda mwakuma na kuloji. Wa musta monga ati ndimuomba 1960 bonds. Things have advanced now. A sugar daddy doesn't have to go. Have to machabe a taxi. Anyway.